Good morning, YouTubers. Happy Friday. It is a gorgeous day here in Merritt. We're getting a bit of smoke. We had a couple of fires already this year. And that mountain up there, you can't even see that mountain. There's a mountain right there. You can't see it, but there's a massive mountain. This one's a little bit closer, so you can see this mountain. So I kind of want to talk about what's happening with insurances. I got a really long email. And I'm not going to read the long email. And about a week and a half ago, someone's house burnt down. And to make a long story short, he is only getting paid what the house is worth, not appraised. It's kind of weird. So you have a valued and an appraised. Now, appraisals are done through the bank. They send an appraiser out. They appraise the value of your home. They appraise, the structure integrity. They appraise the comparables in the area. So it's they go, okay, this house is worth this much. But people are forgetting it's worth this much because of the land. Now, this is kind of important. So there's a lot of people that own their homes free and clear. Now, what you need to know is that the insurance, in some insurance policies, not all, I'm saying to pay attention and read the fine print on your insurance policy for your home. Okay? And I made this very clear with my insurance, and that's why I'm paying a lot of money, that even though my house is free and clear and I don't have any mortgage insurance, okay, here we go. Mortgage insurance is something else. Okay? Now, what it is Buddy's house burnt down and they paid him 47 grand because that's what the structure was worth. And he originally bought the house with the land for, I don't know, like $301,000, and it's worth over $2 million. He wasn't expecting to get $2 million for the house, but you're not building a house in Canada for 40 grand. Okay, you're going to get two 2x4s and 4 pieces of plywood for that much money now, at the price of things that go in Canada. Price of lumber is going down in the States. Canada, it's going to take a couple of years for the ripple effect to reach here. Canada is always several years behind when it comes to cost effectiveness. So, you buy a house for, okay, I'll give you an example. Do you guys remember on the channel we discussed about this house that was for sale? And it wasn't a joke. It was $9.8 million. It was built during World War II. The structure's worth 17 grand. The building's worth 17 grand. So technically, if you bought that, it burned to the ground, you'll get 17 grand to build a house, basically. That's what it is. Unless you have mortgage insurance, and then things start to change and they start working with, insurance is like one of the biggest scams because you need it, but it doesn't do anything for you. You have to really fight it now, and it's going to get harder to fight insurance companies, right? So right now we're having we have a big fire in Linton. So someone should be coming to my store to visit me today, who's going to visit his brother, who's in an evacuation center here in Merritt, who's going to visit who's going to visit his brother. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just watching what's going on here. Who lost everything. I think he even lost his wheelchair. I think he lost everything. The only thing he got was the clothes off his back. So, anyways, guys, be really careful and cautious with your insurance. Go get it out of the safe and go reread it and make sure you know. Because my structure, I think, on paper, isn't even worth 100 grand. Even though I've done 200 grand worth of renovations, I don't even think it's worth. I don't even think they would even pay that much for it. So keep that in mind, folks, right? Keep that in mind. Very important to keep a lot of these things in mind because there's very specifics they go off. And I know a lot of these things because I used to work in the finance sector for a couple of years, and I did really well with it, understanding, right? And underwriting and looking at deals and looking at potential losses and all kinds of stuff. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my How To and Style channel I'm doing. People are asking me about the car, what I'm doing with it, what upgrades have I done this year. So I'm going to go ahead and do a video for that. So please check that out if you want. And let me know what you guys think here. Comment below. Thank you. God bless. And please, guys, be safe. We're 4 weeks out, and I want to make sure everybody understands that. We make that very clear here. Thank you.